Welcome to the Hail Repair Education Series, brought to you by DentOut. Today's topic, what to do if your car got hail damage. If your vehicle was damaged by hail, this is the correct process to follow. It ensures that the damage is fully repaired and fully paid for by your insurance company. The General Insurance Claims Process. Step 1. File a claim. Use your insurance company's app or call their claims department to start your claim. You'll receive a claim number. This is required before any repair facility can begin work. Step 2. Choose a repair shop. You have the legal right to choose any repair shop you want. Insurance companies may provide a list of preferred providers, but the final decision is yours. Step 3. Arrange transportation. If you have rental coverage, your insurance company will provide a rental vehicle. If not, plan for alternate transportation while your vehicle is in the shop. Step 4. Drop off your vehicle. Once you have a claim number, drop off your vehicle at the repair facility you selected. The shop will inspect the damage, document it thoroughly, and communicate with the insurance company to approve the full scope of repairs. Step 5. Complete the repairs. Once the repairs are authorized, the shop will complete them and handle the necessary paperwork with your insurance company. Step 6. Pick up your vehicle and pay your deductible. After your insurance company pays their portion, you'll pay your deductible, and your vehicle will be ready for pickup. What to look for when choosing a repair facility for hail damage. Specialization in paintless dent repair. PDR is the preferred repair method for hail damage because it preserves your original factory finish and maintains resale value. Local, established reputation. Choose a repair facility with a proven reputation, backed by original before and after photos of real customer vehicles, not generic stock images. Read verified reviews from actual clients, not vague templated feedback. Select a business that specializes in hail damage repair, not a middleman passing your car off to someone else. Most importantly, choose a shop that stands behind its work with a real warranty and a track record of making things right, not leaving customers stranded when issues arise. In-house PDR technicians. Many shops rely on outside techs or third-party businesses to perform dent repair. That means inconsistent results. Choose a facility where the work is done in-house by a dedicated team under direct supervision. Proper inspection process. Accurate hail repair starts with a proper inspection. The shop should use professional PDR lighting in a controlled indoor environment, not just a quick walk around in the parking lot. Warranty and accountability. A quality shop will back its work with a written warranty and have a team you can reach long after repairs are complete. Pitfall 1. Letting the insurance company steer you. Insurance companies have Direct Repair Program (DRP) agreements with certain body shops in your area. These arrangements guarantee the insurance company a lower cost in exchange for sending high volumes of customers to the shop. Some DRP shops are high quality, others are not. What matters is choosing the shop that will do the best repair, not just the one your insurance company wants you to use. You have the legal right to choose any repair shop. Don't give up that right just because it's convenient. Choose based on reputation, expertise, and trust, not pressure. Pitfall 2. Choosing a body shop that subcontracts, PDR. Paintless dent repair is a specialized skill. Most body shops don't perform it in-house. They outsource it to whoever's available. But here's the problem. Many will get an estimate from a high-end PDR technician just to justify the cost, then hire the cheapest technician they can find to actually do the work. That bait and switch creates inconsistent results, lower quality repairs, and zero accountability. If you want it done right, go straight to a dedicated PDR facility with in-house experts who are held to a higher standard and who stand behind their work. Pitfall 3. Chasing the cheapest deal. If a shop offers no deductible, cash back, free window tint, free PPF, free rental car, free tires, or even a free PS5 to get your business, understand exactly what that means. Nothing is free. They still need to make a profit, and that often comes at the expense of your car. To make the numbers work, they might rush through your repair, missing dents entirely or leaving them half-fixed. They may drill access holes into structural panels, which can cause corrosion and rust years later. They might use off-brand tools, cheap glue, or low-quality lighting, which leads to visible distortion and wavy panels. Some might even avoid real repairs altogether, just filling dents with body filler and sanding over it to make it look done. They may repaint areas that didn't need paint, and you end up with mismatched colors, overspray, or paint that fades, cracks, or peels within a few years. And when it's all said and done, there may be no one to call if something goes wrong. No accountability, no fix, no recourse. You wouldn't choose the cheapest surgeon for open-heart surgery, because one mistake has lifelong consequences. It's the same with your car. Poor hail repair can permanently destroy the value of your vehicle. Insurance might not pay to redo it. You'll be stuck with a car that looks bad, sells for less, and reminds you every day that you went with the cheapest offer instead of the best shop. If a shop has to bribe you to let them work on your car, it's because they know they can't win your business on quality. Pitfall 4. Keeping the check and not repairing the vehicle. If you cash the insurance check and skip the repair, that damage becomes pre-existing, and it stays on your record. The next time you file a claim, your payout will be reduced. Insurance companies don't pay twice. They track everything. They're smarter than you think, and they have dedicated fraud departments trained to spot patterns like this. If it looks like you're abusing the system, they will flag it and investigate. Pitfall 5. Selling or trading in without repairs. Unrepaired hail damage slashes resale value. We've seen vehicles with $4,000 in hail damage lose $8,000 in trade-in value. Fixing it properly first protects your equity and negotiating power. And remember, your deductible is typically just a small fraction of the total cost. If your repairs total $10,000 and your deductible is $500, the return on investment is clear.
Why choose DentOut?
Invented by experts, trusted worldwide. Founders of DentOut invented the world-famous DentOut red glue, used by PDR professionals across the globe. That same spirit of innovation drives everything we do. International experience, repairing hail-damaged cars. DentOut has repaired hail-damaged vehicles across the U.S. and around the world, serving retail customers, body shops, dealerships, and even car manufacturers directly. We've seen every type of damage on every kind of vehicle. Insurance claims are our domain. We've handled thousands of hail claims and understand the ins and outs of the process. We don't just repair cars, we help maximize your claim and eliminate guesswork. A lifelong career, not a seasonal gig. DentOut was one of the first dent companies in the world. Our founders have personally repaired tens of thousands of vehicles. This isn't a seasonal side hustle. It's a lifelong pursuit. Our founders are recognized masters in the field, and their expertise sets the standard we follow today. Family-owned and operated. DentOut is a family business, founded by two brothers and built from the ground up. Even the founders' families are now involved in the business, continuing a legacy of precision, integrity, and hands-on commitment. High standards, not high turnover. We hold our technicians to a higher standard. Every tech is vetted with rigorous hands-on testing, trained to elite standards, and trusted to deliver repairs that meet our name. If they don't meet the bar, they don't touch your vehicle. We oversee repairs closely to ensure they uphold the DentOut name. Repairs you can rely on. We use techniques that preserve your factory finish and ensure long-term durability. Paintless dent repair, when done correctly, is a permanent repair, not a patch job. We back that up with a written warranty. No gimmicks, just master-level work. We don't need to lure customers in with cash back, free services, or gaming consoles. Our reputation was built on flawless results, and we let the work speak for itself. If you want your vehicle repaired by the best, you found it. Remember, you get what you pay for. DentOut, your hail damage repair specialists. Contact us today to restore your vehicle to its pre-hail damage condition. Call us at 956-342-5887 or visit our website at DentOut paintlessdentrepair.com.